going to install the header from a TSX and of course the downpipe from a TSX. Later on, whenever I go to the muffler shop, I'll get that adapted to the rest of the exhaust, but we're going full exhaust on a bit of a budget, so that'll save us some money. We'll install the slave, the line, and the sandwich plate for the Blocks Racing Master and some grounds. Once again, Integra 2000. I've done most of the interior work already on this car, buttoning up some stuff. Centerpiece installed. I just had to trim a little bit, but shifter box, everything's ready. Brake lines, everything from a Civic DX. Brake booster from a DX as well. It's gonna be your 1992 to 1995. Did a DX because that's what I had. Shifter cable, shifter box, everything mounted up, everything works, goes into every single gear. So just two 12s. That's how it looks with a spacer. The slave. So I have the car on a jack. Lift it up just enough so I can wiggle this around. So not bad. The heat shield got trimmed. That's not gonna make any contact on the rear mount. Half shaft will be next, but I won't record that. I do need to continue on, do my grounds, so that way I can button up everything in the inside when it comes down to wiring, swap harness, whatever. Need to run my charge wires. That'll be on the next video. So I went ahead and put all the grounds. This one's mounted up to the top. It's literally that one right there on the valve cover. So to the side, you barely notice that one. And I have the one to the front. I put a 10 bolt and a nut on the other side. That one bolts up to the bottom. You'll see it on this other end. Make sure that I got ground on both ends. The last one's on the transmission. Put it right here on top of the bracket. Went under the transmission bracket to that end right there. And you barely notice that one. So see it loops around pretty clean. Everything's loomed. That's that. That concludes everything we needed to address on this video. Huge mess. I did the fuel pump. I have my ECU with immobilizer and everything over there. I have the ground figured out. I finally got it prime. Only thing is that I was just right now, I was figuring out the fuel pressure. And we'll see what this thing does.